What if you could see a real difference in your credit score faster than you thought was possible? Well, you can. In my personal journey toward financial freedom, focusing on these four areas, they made a noticeable difference in my credit score. So, how is it done? The following short video that I created breaks down the four key actions. Thank you for watching.
Improving your credit score may seem like a daunting task, but with the right actions, you can see meaningful results faster than you might expect. Your credit score is a reflection of how responsibly you manage debt, and taking decisive steps can help boost your score, opening doors to better loan rates, rental opportunities, and even job prospects. Here are 4 key actions to quickly improve your credit score.
First, focus on paying your bills on time, every single time. Your payment history is the single most important factor in your credit score, accounting for about 35% of your overall score. Even one missed payment can have a significant negative impact. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. If you have any past due accounts, bring them current as soon as possible. Lenders want to see that you're dependable, and a consistent track record of on-time payments can quickly help your score bounce back.
Second, keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits, a concept known as your credit utilization ratio. Ideally, you want to keep your balances below 30% of your available credit across all cards, but lower is generally better. For example, if you have a total credit limit of $10,000, try to keep your overall balances under $3,000. This shows lenders that you're not relying too heavily on credit and can manage what's available to you. If possible, make more than one payment each month to lower your average daily balance, especially if you tend to use your cards often.
Third, review your credit reports for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Even a small mistake like an incorrect late payment or a debt that doesn't belong to you can drag your score down. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus every year: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Take the time to review them closely, looking for addresses you don't recognize, unfamiliar accounts, or incorrect payment histories. If you spot any errors, file a dispute with the credit bureau. They're required to investigate and either correct or verify the information, and removing negative mistakes from your report can give your score a noticeable lift.
Fourth, avoid taking on unnecessary new credit. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, the lender performs a hard inquiry into your credit, which can cause a temporary dip in your score. While these inquiries usually have a minor effect, too many in a short period signal to lenders that you may be taking on more debt than you can handle. Only apply for new credit when absolutely necessary. Instead, focus on maintaining and utilizing the credit you already have responsibly. If you're rebuilding credit, consider asking for a credit limit increase on an existing credit card without a hard inquiry. This can also help lower your credit utilization ratio.
On top of these actions, remember that time is still your ally. The longer you maintain healthy credit habits, the stronger your score will grow. Don't close old credit card accounts unless you have a compelling reason. The length of your credit history also impacts your score. And if you're struggling to manage payments, reach out to creditors to discuss hardship plans or lower interest options before missing a bill.
By aggressively tackling outstanding balances, paying bills on time, fixing errors, and resisting the urge to open unnecessary new accounts, you give your credit score the best chance to improve quickly. These steps not only enhance your financial future, but also help you build the trust and credibility that lenders, landlords, and employers look for. Keep at it, and watch as your efforts translate into real, rewarding progress.
Hey, these 4 key actions, they're not just a theory. They're exactly what has worked for me, and I've noticed a considerable difference in my credit score. And you could do the same. And if you're serious about improving your credit score and opening up doors and want to reach financial freedom, if that's your goal, then this video was for you. Please give it a like. If you found it valuable in any way, shape, or form, please leave a comment and let me know which one of these you plan on tackling first, or if you have any tips or tricks or anything that might help or be of value to my viewers. I sure would appreciate you sharing in the comments. Thank you, and I hope you have a very, very, very productive day. Thank you for watching. Until next time, KP out.